Welcome everyone to my new video on planet Rahu in the 8th house. This placement of naturally malefic Rahu is not considered as very strong placement for any given native because Rahu is a naturally malefic planet and the 8th house is a naturally malefic house or the Trik house for any given native. For his personal matters, the 8th house will give him sufferings, especially if malefic planets are placed here. So Rahu does have some positive qualities, and majorly there are some negative traits of planet Rahu which would get pronounced when Rahu is present here in the 8th house. We generally know about its negative traits, but when Rahu is well placed in your horoscope, it is going to give you good management of money matters, good management of your time. It is going to make you very dependable and very disciplined and very sharp in your thinking abilities and a very good planner. So in the 8th house, these things will suffer. You will have a very bad management of your time and of your finances also, and you would also be less dependable because of Rahu in the 8th house. So another thing is that either you could cheat on others or you could yourself get cheated, because Rahu is also a karka of cheating. So if it is damaged by being in the 8th house, you will have to suffer these things. But friends, as I have always told, that astrology is never black and white. So if there is a benefic planet aspecting your Rahu, or if it is sitting with planet Rahu, then also the things are not as bad as it is sounding here. So if planet Rahu is exalted or in its own sign, then also Rahu will not give you much bad results. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is the placement of the 8th lord. If your 8th lord is strongly placed, or if it is forming a Viprit Raj Yoga, for that I have made separate videos, you can listen to those videos. So if the 8th lord is well placed and if it is not damaged, if it is sitting with any benefic planet, then also Rahu will not give you negative results. But whatever it is, Rahu, wherever it is placed, will definitely give problems related to the living significations of that house. Now, what are the things which are associated with the 8th house? The living signification is that it is the longevity of a given native. It is the longevity of a person's married life, and the 8th house is your in-laws. The 8th house is your spouse's speech and is your spouse's wealth. So these things will definitely undergo some sufferings. But Rahu is also a foreigner, so it can also mean that you could have foreign based in-laws. Now Rahu in the 8th house can give you some health related problems which are very chronic in nature, which are not easily diagnosed by a medical practitioner. You may see yourself getting complete diagnosis done, and despite that the doctors will not be able to find upon your disease, because Rahu is also about suspense, it is also about hiddenness, and it is also about black magic. So there is also a possibility that you could be susceptible to black magic or taking on the negative energies of others. So these people could have symptoms related to these things, but they may not be diagnosed under the medical supervisions of doctors. Rahu can give you chronic problems. It can give you heart related problems. It can give you feet related disabilities or issues, and it can also give you eyesight related problems. These people are prone to addictions also, because Rahu is aspecting your 2nd house. So you could be prone to bad speech, or you could be prone to some addictive habits, or you could be prone to taking alcohol or some kind of non-vegetarian food is also associated with planet Rahu. So Rahu can also give you problems related to urinary infections or hemorrhoids or heart related ailments, because as I told you, the 8th house is about chronicity, and the living things or the health part would definitely get damaged due to this Rahu. Now Rahu is going to give you bad results in terms of the happiness of your family life. You would see that there is some disturbance on that account, because wherever planet Rahu is, 7th to it is planet Ketu. So in the second house, Ketu is going to give you possibilities of two marriage. Majorly the reason is that Rahu is associated with widowhood, and in the 8th house it can cause death of the former partner, and that can pave way to another marriage of a given person. So friends, do not be scared by this, because if your Rahu is aspected by a benefic planet, or if it is sitting powerfully strong in the 8th house, then the possibility becomes less in that case. So my suggestion to you is, get your horoscopes thoroughly analyzed by a astrologer, by a competent astrologer, so that you can come to know what kind of results Rahu is going to give you related to your married life. But one thing is sure, that in the 8th house, Rahu will not give a very pleasant speech to your spouse or to your partner, because it is the house of speech of your partner, that is the 7th house. So your partner could either be telling lies, or he may be having complaints related to you, and that could also give you some discomfort in your married life. Rahu is also about the finance part of your partner. So here also you would see that there could be lots of ups and downs related to the financial prosperity of your partner. Friends, Rahu will do well for the 3rd house related aspects of your horoscope, because the 3rd house is your younger sibling, and the 8th house is 6th to your 3rd house. So you will see that your younger siblings are pretty strong and well placed. Similarly, the 8th house is 3rd to your 6th house, and Rahu will make your 6th house powerful by being placed in the 8th house. So it is going to make your maternal uncles and aunts very courageous, very strong, and you would be very courageous in your day-to-day life. Rahu is sitting 11th to your 10th house. So it means you would have gains through Rahu related things in your career. So what are Rahu related things? Rahu is also about medicines, about healings. So you could have gains in the healing industry or in medicine making. Or Rahu is about electronics. So you could gain through the work related to electronics, and these gains could be very unpredictable, because the 8th house is also about temporariness. So the things will not be very long lived. So by which I mean to say that the gains are coming, but they are not very stable when Rahu is present in the 8th house. So Rahu will make you a wonderful healer, a wonderful doctor, and these people are generally seen to be good psychologists, because Rahu is aspecting your 2nd house of speech, and your healing is associated with speech. So here the role of the psychologist is also to speak and to let the patient speak and speak about his problems. So that is the way Rahu is going to heal others. Friends, Rahu in the 8th house does give you fear of sudden events. So these people are prone to suddenness of events in their lives, and they should be very careful of confronting people whom they are not familiar with, because these are the people who could pose them difficulties in their lives, and suddenness of events could be associated with foreign elements. The 8th house is also compared at par with the foreign countries. So it means that you could always gain through foreign lands, and you could make foreign friends, and they could be useful for you with this placement of planet Rahu. Another thing is, Rahu is present 12th to your 9th house. It means that you could splurge on the wealth of your father, and you would have difficulties in adjusting to the happiness of your father. You could have problems related to your father, or you could or you would not be very sincere with the finances of your father. Friends, these are the things that you could face through the placement of planet Rahu in the 8th house. So the best remedy for this placement of Rahu is to feed dogs with milk. If you can keep a pet dog and feed that dog with milk, is going to give you very good results. And try to put a saffron tilak on your forehead. That is also going to give you very good results. So friends, with this placement you should try to help those people who are very poor. Another remedy for planet Rahu here is to eat your meals in the kitchen. That is also going to give you very good results. And try to do something for the downtrodden, for those people who are very poor. So that is also going to empower your planet Rahu. And try to avoid eating non-vegetarian food on Saturdays, and try to be sattvic in your lifestyle, so that the negative results of Rahu are not felt. And also try to build a strong discipline, because if you make your discipline strong, then the Rahu's negative results will not be felt, because majorly the problems that the person faces through this Rahu in the 8th house is due to their bad discipline and due to their bad speech. So if you fix these issues in your life, then your life will become worthwhile, and you will start getting good results of planet Rahu. This was all about this placement. Stay connected, and very soon I am going to see you with another video which is not associated with Rahu, but it is something which you all are going to enjoy. So wait for my next video, and thank you friends for listening.